But yes, I'm going to try out this Guy's Burger. Guy's Burger's got it fired up. Line's fairly short. Yeah. So you choose your toppings. In every ship, they're located in different places. You can check out our Mardi Gras vlog, and you'll. So, let's give this Guy's Burger a try out. You know, see if it's different. I didn't really give it a chance before I did that bacon, the bacon patty. So, I just didn't give it much of a chance. So I got me a plain giant. Well, I got one with cheese and some fries. I put a little bit of mayonnaise on the meat side, away from the cheese. That's just how I like it and everything. So let's try this out. Hopefully the mic ain't picking me up chewing or swallowing. But I really grilled that meat really good. I like that melted cheese on there. Marsha does hers that way. I usually like to leave my cheese till the end, put it on there right before I eat it. Wait till Marsha knows that she took a nap. So wait till Marsha finds out that I went and ate lunch, which we had lunch earlier. I just was a little more hungry, and I wanted to come and, you know, do some filming and stuff and walk around and get some of the ship. And but wait till she finds out I went ahead of her and got this burger. So I did text her, you know, on the app that you have on the Carnival hub. We got that to where we could at least text to each other. I suggest anyone, if you're very many together, that right there is very handy. So I just sent her a little text, so she'd have a little heads up, know where I'm at. But I like this patty a lot better than the bacon patty that they had, and so it definitely impressed me a lot better. I'm still a fan of the big chicken. But I'll probably have one more, mostly just because I'm still trying to be good with the keto that we do. Anyway, so food-wise, stopped by, got some Guy's Burger. This is the second one I've had the entire trip. I picked up her a straight-up burger. That's how she likes them. And but I just get mine plain with some cheese. Anyway, like I told him, I got you a straight up right there, just in case I didn't know if they were going to shut it down on you or what. Anyway, having my, I don't know, what is this, 4th cup of coffee this morning, so, you know, it's just a couple of Splendas and some creamer. So, I might share that with the morning crew. Take it. And Guy's Burger is really good today. Just waiting on it. It was fun. I enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.